Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the names and prices of products by using Odoo. Before we could get started, I would like you to make an Odoo account to access the page, or if you are not the admin, please ask for permissions. Now let's get started. First of all, you are going to your business page, and on top left corner there's a block of squares right there, and choose point of sale. Next, on the bar, click on Products to show more categories and click on Products again. Right now, it will show you a screen with variants of product that you have created. Click on one that you want to edit the name. So, for example, to me, I want to put in Cantonese symbols for caramel popcorn single. I'll click on the products and paste the name from the documents. And it is that easy. Now to change the price, click on sales price and type your preferred price. And when you're done, click save manually and the data will be saved. Thank you for watching the guide.